Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Honor Magic V2 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. To do that, swipe up look on our screen, our calendar application, which is right there, and we tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 25 of April, and there this plus icon. First we can add title of our event, what you need and prefer. There we can add location of it, when event starts and finish, or we can set by the switch on, it will be all day. Reminder of our event, maybe one day before at 9, and we can add more of that. We can add it to account of our friends or group on Gmail, or our only one friend, what you prefer, and we can add description to that. After we set all with it, we press this icon to save it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.